let's talk about your how to get your website Google, how to get, oh man, how to get Google AdSense to your website. So in 2020 it's so hard to get Google AdSense to website. I will give 8 tips for get Google AdSense approval without get any rejection. So there has Google AdSense program policy. So just check that. I will put the link in description. Just refer that page and you will find a lot of information about what should you follow when you build your website before apply to Google AdSense. So let's start our tutorial. First one is choose top level domain. Try to buy .com domain. If you target your country visitors, like if you are in UK and you target United Kingdom visitors, so buy .uk domain, it's not a problem, but always try to buy .com domain or top level domain. My suggestion is buy .com domain. So second one is your domain. When you build your domain or when you choose your domain, it must be related to your niche. So as example, you create your website for health, it means your website niche is health, but you buy a domain in your name. As example, your name is lazy developer, so you buy lazydeveloper.com domain and you add health niche article to your website. It's not make any sense, because if your domain name is lazy developer and you add health in that domain name, yeah, it's not make sense. So always try to choose related domain to your niche. So next one is avoid numbers and dash character. So if you buy a domain name like lazy developer, just avoid lazy developer 123 or lazy dash developer.com. So don't add those numbers and dash character to your domain. Okay, this is first one. Second one is you must follow AdSense program policies. As I told you, I will put link on description, so you can go to that page and refer the program policies. Okay, in this one, first thing is always check Google AdSense supported language and only write article using those languages. So I will add link on the description to go to check supported Google AdSense supported language. So you will find supported language in here. My recommendation is write it on English, because we all know about English, so we all can understand English. So write your blog in English. Okay, next one is before you apply Google AdSense, you must have at least 10 to 15 articles. 10 is minimum. Try to at least write 10 articles, and after that apply. If you have 5 articles, don't apply it. Sometimes you will get approved, but most of time you will be rejected. So after that, don't use copyright content. Copyright content means, okay, I have health blog called like myhealth.com, and you saw a beautiful and great article on my website, so you just copy this whole article and put it on your article. Your website, you create your website article using my content, you just copy it and paste it. So those are copyrighted content, because it's belong to me, and you will never get Google AdSense approved if you use copyright, or if you do dumb shit like that. So don't always create your own content, and don't try to copy and paste, it will not work. So because 2020 it's so hard to get Google AdSense, it must be hard, because yeah, it must be hard. Let's see our next point. Next point is, when you write your article, try to add word like 700 to 115 words. I mean, when you write your article, write it word between 700 to 100 1500, so that way you will create good article, and there is lot of information, and your visitors will love to read your article. So don't write article under 700, because you will not get AdSense approval if you do it. Also, when you choose images, don't use copyrighted images. I mean, you want to image for like cancer cell, so you search Google cancer cell and you get image from cancer cell, you just put it on your blog, so you will never get AdSense approval because that image is copyrighted. Always use pixel.com or pixabay.com. I recommend those two websites to get images. They has royalty free images, so you can use those images in any place, anytime, anywhere, because you have a right to use those images. After that, your article must be SEO friendly. So if you want to write about like cancer, so you write you write it as you want. You never think about SEO, any kind of stuff. You will never get Google AdSense approval, son. So always write SEO friendly article. I will talk about this later because I plan to build my own blogging website. So in that tutorials I will show you how to write a good SEO friendly article. So after that, you must have quality content. That is our third point. No, that is our third tip. So quality content is really valuable, and you must have quality content to get Google AdSense in 2020. So let's talk about this. First one is your content must be unique. As I told before, if you copy article from another website and you add it to your website, you will never get Google AdSense approval. Also, the idea should be unique too, but the content must be unique. You can check more about this on Google AdSense policy program policy. So I will put link on description. Also your content should be valuable, right? If you write about let's see, you write about article about health, and you write it about your health, so no one want to know about your health. They want to know about general health and health issues. So that your health will be not valuable to other person. So you will not get Google AdSense to that kind of content. So your content must be valuable when you put that content on whole the global, and your visitor must be get value from that content. So after that, you must have grammar mistake, because as I told before, those person who approve your Google AdSense request, they manually check your article, and if they show any kind of grammar issues, you will never get Google AdSense approval. So best way is use Grammarly. Grammarly is the best way to make all kind of grammar mistake. Personally, I use Grammarly for my all content, because I am not from English. I am not 100% good with English. You will definitely notice about that. So this Grammarly software really helped me to build my early website, and there has a free version and pro version. In free version you will check spelling mistake and stuff like that, but if you want to check grammar mistake, you must have get a pro version. So I highly recommend to use Grammarly if you have any kind of issues with grammar issues or grammar mistake. Even your mother language is English, it's recommended to get Grammarly. I will put link on description, and that is affiliate link. So if you purchase or if you register to free or pro version on that link, I will get commission. So if you like that and if you want to support my channel, I highly appreciate it. Okay, next one is avoid hate speech. So you plan to build a website to hate your girlfriend or hate your school member, so you will not get Google AdSense to that website. Also avoid adult content. Okay, you have some kind of, I don't know, you make adult content website and you add some kind of adult content to your website, you will never get Google AdSense. So don't do those kind of stuff. Just be 100% good person. Also, your content must be advertiser friendly. Let's see, okay, you run a website about, let's say you run a website about traveling. Okay, so your village is like, let's say your village is ABC my village. Okay, no one know about, no, let's get real example. Okay. So advertiser friendly mean, as example, your niche is what is your niche? Travel. So you write post about your village and your village, how beautiful your village and how valuable it, or something like that, but no one search on Google about your village, or no one want to care about your village, because if traveler don't want to come to your village, or if your village don't have any places to watch them, they will never come to your village. So that is not advertiser friendly. If you write a blog about, or write a, if you are travel website, you talk about like Paris and Eiffel Tower. Lot of people want to know about Eiffel Tower, and lot of guys try to promote their shops and product around the Eiffel Tower. So that is advertiser friendly, and it will help you to get Google AdSense approval. After that, your website article must be affiliate friendly. Affiliate mean by some other person's website, or not website, by some other person's product. So your content must be affiliate friendly. That same thing apply to that. Advertiser friendly is same as affiliate friendly. So those are the this is the third tips, and it's quality content. So I hope you understand it. Okay, after that, you must have required page on your website. First page is about us. So let's as example, you must have your complete details about your website. Currently I develop my website, so I don't have website to show my about me page. By the way, after I develop my website, I will add link on description, so you can go to my about us page. By the way, in about us or about me, you must have add your qualifications and why you qualified to talk about that niche. As example, if you talk about health, you must have some qualification to talk about health. If you don't have any kind of qualification or degree, or even if you are not a nurse, you will not your content will not be trust from other person, and Google will not trust your content. So you must have to put your qualification on about us, as if you don't have any kind of qualifications, just lie. Just lie, it will work. So because they never ask what is your degree certificate or something like that, so just lie, but that lie should be like a real one, so be aware about that. So if as example, I write about website building and programming, so I have a degree in programming, so I will add I have degree in programming in this college, like that. So your about us page like this should like this. Also you must have contact us page. In contact us page you can add contact form. If your contact form not working, just remove it and add specifically add your contact email, so that way your customers can contact using that email. So that is the second page you must have. After that you must have privacy policy. Those privacy policy, you can't create the privacy policy page, so you can use privacy policy generator tool. Just Google privacy policy generator, you will find privacy policy generator tools. Also you must have term and condition page, so you can just Google term and condition generator tools killer tools, so you will find terms and condition generator tools. Those are the main required pages. Also you must have you should have disclaimer page. It's not important if you don't have any kind of disclaimers to show, so those 4 pages are really important. After that, your website age is really important to get Google AdSense. As example, no, your website at least older 30 weeks. No, not 30 weeks, 3 weeks. At least your website must be old at least 3 weeks. Okay, before if you purchase domain today and build website today, after that you add 10 article to 10 article to your website today, after that you apply Google AdSense today. You will never get Google AdSense approval. So your your website should be at least 3 weeks old. So that is another important thing to remember, because your website is definitely one of key things they check when try to give AdSense approval. So just take time and just leave your website like 3 weeks or 1 month before apply Google AdSense. Also think this as a long-term journey. That way you will be more happy and you will get Google AdSense easily. So 6th point is website traffic. You must have website traffic. Not must. Sorry, this is not required one. They didn't mention about traffic, but you should be at least 15 to 250 visitors per day to your website. The reason for that is if they approve, okay, you don't have any kind of traffic, only you watch your pages, then they approve the Google AdSense when you request it. But you will not earn any kind of money because you don't have any kind of visitors. Only you watch your pages, so you can check your website visitor using Google Analytics. So you will not get any kind of visitors. If you didn't get any kind of visitors, you will never earn anything. So just try to grow visitors count on your website. You can get visitors from guest posting and forum method and on page SEO. Guest post is there are some website who get our article and they allow us to add one or two links on our article, and they publish our article in their website. Also forum method mean you can join to forums like if your niche is health, you can try to register with forum related to health niche. So after that you can add a post and comment other person, and you can add your website on those comment, but don't do this too much, do this little bit, and you will get traffic from those forums. Also you can do on page SEO. There's a great plugin called SEO by Yoast that will allow you to do it, so I will make a video about that too in future. So you must when you do SEO also you can when you do SEO it will help to find your web pages by Google. So those do those three for get visitors, at least 50 visitors. So it need time, definitely it take time to get visitors. By the way, try this. Also you must have social media signal, not must you have social media signals. If you have those visitors and social media signals, they will definitely approve it. If you didn't violate any other violation, I mean any other policy violation. So for get social media signal to your website, you can use Facebook. In Facebook you can use Facebook group, and you can create a page. So if your niche is health, you can join to Facebook groups and post on your link. Also don't post always your link, also give some help to them and post your link. Also you can use Pinterest and Twitter. Twitter is not good. I didn't get lot of traffic on Twitter, but Facebook, Pinterest is one of the best way to get traffic. Also YouTube is another huge way to get traffic. So this take time. If you build YouTube channel today and you try to get YouTube views by tomorrow or by a month, you will never get YouTube signal to your YouTube traffic to your website, because all things take time. So be patient. Just create YouTube channel and add some videos to your YouTube channel. Okay, after that you must use AdSense friendly theme. So sometimes when you add AdSense code, those code not work correctly and it gets some kind of glitch. So there has some AdSense friendly themes. When you do those themes, when you use those themes to build your website, it will not get any glitch. So Google will approve your request. After that, last one is, oh man, those are the same. So there are seven tips. I thought there is 8. By the way, there has 7 tips. If let me think a few minutes, maybe there must have. Okay, I don't remember. I didn't get any idea about next point, but try to follow those 7 things. You will definitely get Google AdSense approval. So as 8 things, if you rejected again and again, and they make some excuses to not give Google AdSense to your website, try to create new account when you apply AdSense to other website, not your current website. So that will be helpful to get Google AdSense. So now our presentation is over. I must have to say, think this as a long-term journey. Don't try to build a passive income within 1 month or 2 months. you will never build passive income within 1 month or 2 months. So if you think you failed by doing it for 1 month or 2 months, you are wrong. You are not failed. You must have time. You must take time to build those kind of things. So always think when you come to e-money, always think this as a long-term journey. You will definitely success. So don't give up or don't quit. Just take time. Okay, those are the 7 tips. Just apply those 7 tips and check their Google AdSense policy page. You will definitely get Google AdSense approval if you do those 7 tips as I told you. So yeah, that is today video. Also somehow if you rejected your Google AdSense application by Google and you don't have idea about that, you can use Google AdSense community and they will answer to your issue. So you can ask why your Google AdSense website rejected, so that way you will get answer to your question. So by Google member, so that is the best way to do it. Okay, this is today video. I hope you understand it. I am sorry if you get confused in some times, but I do my best to create this video. So if you get any kind of questions or if you want to comment me, just put a comment. I will reply and I will read those comments. And yeah, if you like those kind of stuff, just click the subscribe button and give a like to this video. If you don't like or if you didn't get anything on this video, just let me know what's wrong with the why didn't you get it, so I will try to improve it. Okay, that is all about it. I will see you in next video. Bye bye.